Up until now, I've made a lot of videos about how to buy sneakers from here and there, including giving you the basics of copying what comes to India through retail channels. But we know for a fact that it's not easy to get what you want since not everything comes to India. Although international platforms are there like StockX, GOAT, etc., which we have spoken about on this channel, but not everyone is comfortable shopping online internationally from India. Also, there may be times when you are looking to buy something for an occasion or as a gift for someone and waiting for 10-15 days for an international order to arrive influences you against your decision to go for it. So today, we are going to talk about the top resellers in India who you can buy from without having to wait for weeks to get stuff in your hand. Also, we haven't really spoken much about where you can buy some streetwear like Supreme, Babe, Off-White, Antisocial. So this will be taken care of as well. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Now, before I share this info, I want to make one thing clear. This video is not about which reseller is legit or not. It is about the top resellers who I have been dealing with in the past couple of years and can guarantee you about their legitimacy and share some info about each one of them so you can know what you want to buy and who you can rely on blindly, not having to worry about being overcharged or scammed. Talking about who is legit and who is not, I will also show you some pages towards the end who I have heard of and can confirm are legit resellers. Also, if I haven't mentioned someone doesn't mean they are not legit. Reselling is currently blowing up in India and it's not possible for me or anyone else to list down all the resellers. There's a ton of pages selling in India right now and every day about 5 to 7 more pop up on Instagram. So again, just in case I haven't mentioned anyone, doesn't mean they are not legit. However, I will keep making updated videos on this topic and will try to cover more and more of them in the future videos. That being said, let's start with my list of resellers that I have been dealing with when it comes to buying and selling sneakers and streetwear. VJ Kicks. Owned and run by Viraj Dutt based out of Chandigarh, he mainly deals in sneakers and other items that have released and sold out in India. So if you have missed out on some latest releases, then you know where to look. You can also find some hype sneakers along with lots of budget sneakers and steals on his page. He is also into consignment if you want to sell some stuff and may even cash you out if the deal suits him. You must have also seen him in Raftar's and Pariniti Chopra's Instagram stories as he often plugs them with a lot of sneakers. You can look through his stuff and buy via DMs on his Instagram. Cop Underdog Official. These are a bunch of guys led by Manan and Suleiman based out of Bangalore. They recently opened their first physical store there as well. These guys mainly deal in hype sneakers, accessories and a lot of streetwear like Supreme, ASSC, Babe, Off-White and more. They sell through their website copunderdog.com and also through DMs on their Instagram. They also recently cashed me out with some of my accessories at great prices as this is also what they are good at. So this is another option for you guys if you are looking to sell and cash out. And finally, Marketplace by Main Street. Now all of you who have been with me since the longest time, you have heard about Main Street. Main Street started at around the same time when I started buying a lot of things. Obviously, since I was buying so much, I also needed to sell a lot of stuff. So Main Street helped me flip my things within India for the first time as against selling to resellers abroad. Owned by Vedant Lamba, based out of Mumbai, they have built a huge customer base and are often able to sell things real quick. You will often see them on celebrity stories like Gulsimran Khamba, Harshvardhan Kapoor, Tanmay Bhatt and many more as they plug a lot of popular personalities with kicks and clothing. They offer reasonable prices and will most likely buy anything you want to sell when it comes to sneakers and streetwear. Currently, you can see what they are selling through their Instagram stories and their website, and apart from buying online and via DMs, you can also buy from their dedicated WhatsApp number. They are into everything hype. You will most probably find everything you need with them, and they are also coming up with their physical store in Bandra West, Mumbai as soon as we are allowed to gather socially again. Now, about pricing with any reseller. Keep in mind, it is still going to cost around the same as it will from StockX, GOAT or any other international platform. You may at times find some things slightly cheaper, but nothing with a major difference. You got to keep in mind that our cost for everything is going to be higher because of our custom duty structure and there is no way out of it in the long run. So sooner you accept, like we all have accepted iPhone prices, the better it is for you. I don't care about those one-off times when someone hand carried something for you when they came down from the USA or the UK. That is temporary and not an option for everyone. So these are all the resellers who I regularly deal with in India and who help me get my stuff and also sell it back. Another important thing, you might not always see every single thing listed on their platform because all of them are small teams handling a lot of clients currently. So it's better you keep in touch with them and talk about what you are looking for and what all do they have latest in their hands. You have to be clear with whether you are looking for things that can be shipped immediately or you are okay with waiting for a few days, as all of them are good with sourcing whatever you may need from wherever. Keep in mind there is no ranking amongst resellers. There is a lot of stuff available in this world. It's all about who has what you want and when you want. Now before I end this video, I'm going to leave you with some pages who I know are legit apart from my list that I discussed about. So that's all from me. If this video was helpful, then please do not forget to like this video and also share it with your friends who you think need to know about this, and I shall see you next week with another one. Peace.